Want to learn what you can and can't cut with a hot knife? Follow along and we'll show you. Welcome back to the Sailrite Workbench. We get so many questions on what we can and can't cut with the hot knife, so today we're going to show you. If you're going to be using the hot knife, make sure you use proper PPE or you're in a well-ventilated room like we are. We also recommend using the Sailrite tempered cutting glass to protect your work surface. Let's start with marine canvas. All right, let's add that to the list of yeses. Typically, marine grade canvas is great for the hot knife because when you use scissors, the fabric frays, but using the hot knife, there's no fray. Now, let's try waxed canvas. I have no idea what's gonna happen with this. I've never used the hot knife on waxed canvas before. All right, it looks like that's definitely going to be added to the nose list. It melted the wax on the canvas and it didn't even cut all the way through. Next, let's try webbing. Perfect, look at that, a nice sealed edge and zero fray. Let's add that to the list of yeses. Can we cut rope? Let's find out. And look at that, zero fray. Let's add that to the list of yeses. Now, let's try cutting leather. Oh my goodness. I am definitely not gonna finish cutting this. You can see it is burning and it smells awful. It's definitely gonna be added to the list of no's. We get a lot of questions about cutting foam, so let's try it. All right, guys, it looks like the foam is melting. So we're gonna stop there and we're definitely adding that to the list of no's. Foam is extremely flammable and releases hazardous chemicals into the air when melted, which is why it is not recommended to use the hot knife. But we do recommend using the Sailrite blade foam saw. It's the best tool for the job. What about zipper chain? Do you think we can cut that? Look at that, a nice clean cut. Let's add that to the list of yeses. And the awesome thing about using a hot knife on plastic zipper chain is it melts the teeth so you don't need zipper stops. Now, let's try cutting vinyl. All right, I think I'm gonna stop there. It's actually really gumming up the blade, which is not what you want when you use the hot knife. So let's add that to the list of no's. What about Crypton fabric? This all depends on the blend of the fabric. Crypton Highline, which is mostly made of cotton, is not a fabric you want to cut with a hot knife because cotton is flammable. Oh my goodness. I definitely would not recommend cutting this fabric with a hot knife. It's primarily made out of cotton and cotton is highly flammable, so I'm thankful it didn't catch on fire. But you can cut Crypton Lush because it is 100% synthetic fabric, so it is not flammable. Look at that, a nice clean cut. If you have primarily synthetic fabric, but it's not 100%, we recommend testing a piece first before you start your project. Though you can use the hot knife for 100% synthetic fabric, scissors work just fine. And if you're not sure what your fabric is made of, you can find that information on our website. We list it for each of our fabrics. If you'd like a hot knife of your own or any of the products you've seen today, it's linked in the description below. Once again, here are the materials you can and can't cut with the hot knife. If you have a fabric or material you'd like us to put to the test, Comment below and maybe we'll do a part 2. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you next time.